Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based website. You can claim your free Bitcoin Cash from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Bitcoin Cash in your wallet address. Cryptocurrency wallet address is like FaucetPay, and what wallet address this will be available microput. Okay, and that's too easy to registration. Just click register. Okay, put your username, last name, first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, choose your gender, just solve the captcha. You can easily come here, register yourself. Okay, I have account. I just click login to show you how you can start your earning from this website. Okay, just click I'm not a robot. Please wait for a few seconds. Okay, now we are logging in AdBCH, Bitcoincash, and in here you can watch advertisement and you earn your free Bitcoin Cash. It's very easy. The first way you can easily earn is the surfing. Okay, the surfing is one of the best way you can earn from surfing. Every day come here, surf 100 page, and you can earn 10,000 or 3,000 Bitcoin Satoshi every day. Okay, that's too easy to earning. First, solve a captcha. Okay, solve the captcha and just click enter. Okay, please wait for a few seconds to reload the page to show you the surfing. Okay, this is the surfing tab. This will be open and you can easily make your free in from here. Okay, just click view and watch this advertisement for 80 seconds and pay you this much BCH. Okay, this will be available every one capture available 5 advertisement. After 5 advertisement you can solve another capture and you can watch again. Okay, just click this one. After the reloading is finished, just click view, wait few seconds and you can see the website counting down. Okay, that's too easy to making money from this website. Just I pause the video. Okay, that's it. You earn your free BCH and you can watch again and again. After 5 times the next capture available. Okay, the next step you can earn is the short links. Short links is one of the best way you can earn much more BCH. 10,000, maybe least in 10,000 BCH every day. 48 short links available. You can watch it and you can earn it. The next step is withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw your funds instantly in your FaucetPay or your 2 wallet orders. Okay, you can put your Coinbase wallet orders and you can withdraw in Coinbase. Okay, and you can withdraw in FaucetPay and microput. I don't know what is a microput wallet orders. I will be make a new video about microput wallet orders. Right now I click FaucetPay. Okay, wait few seconds to reload the page. My internet is a little bit slowly, sorry about that. Okay, the minimum withdrawal in the FaucetPay is 0.0025 BCH, and this will be pay you instantly in your FaucetPay. Okay, and if you want to withdraw in your another wallet or as you can look at how much you can get. Okay, after 10 days you can easily withdraw your funds.